Stormy Daniels rushed out of the courthouse after delivering the most explosive testimony yet in the hush money criminal case against Donald Trump. She took the stand with little warning and went into great detail about that alleged 2006 sexual encounter that Trump has always denied. She described where it happened, a hotel room bigger than her past 3 houses, what Trump was wearing, satin pajamas, how long it took, very brief, and what he said after the act. Let's get together again, honey bunch.
I guess the real question is, there's 12 jurors, will they think she's credible? And I will tell you, in a face-to-face meeting with her, she comes across very credible.
During the testimony, the former president and the former porn star made little to no eye contact. At times, Trump appeared frustrated. At the end of the day, Trump made his feelings known outside the courtroom.
Their case is totally falling apart. They have nothing on books and records, and even something that should bear very little relationship to the case. It's just a disaster for the DA.
That point was raised furiously by Trump's defense team when they asked the judge for a mistrial after the prosecution wrapped their questioning. Trump's lead attorney, Todd Blanche, said, "I don't know how you can unring the bell," referring to Daniels' graphic account of the alleged sexual encounter. While the judge agreed that Daniels was difficult to control and some of the details at times unnecessary, he denied the motion.
Donald Trump doesn't like not being in control, and so being in this courtroom today for this testimony has been extremely difficult for him, and I would certainly not want to be any of his lawyers or his campaign team who he's more than likely lashing out at.
During a heated cross-examination, Daniels was pressed about how she felt about Trump. On the stand, she admitted that she hates him.
So, Chris, this case is just about falsifying business records. So why did the prosecution delve into such great details about the sexual encounter?
Well, remember, Adrienne, they're trying to establish intent. They argue that Trump had reason to falsify his business records because he wanted to hide damaging stories from voters back in 2016. And so the details about this sexual encounter shared on the stand were salacious, sure, but it was almost a precursor to the rest of Daniels' testimony, in which she said Trump didn't seem to care about hiding their alleged affair back in 2006, that she wasn't approached with hush money payment from Michael Cohen until just a month before that presidential vote. She's back on the stand on Thursday.
All right, Chris Reyes in New York.